so we have a few questions that I want to ask you, just to get you into the vibe of today. So the very first question, how did you actually come up with this super sweet name? Sithi Pancake.
I've always wanted to know.
Okay. My mom, as a child, I used to love eating pancakes. So my mom started calling me Sithi Pancake.
Okay.
And then my family,
And then you stuck.
then everyone started calling me Sithi Pancake. And my mom started a channel, and now...
Wow, okay. Now I want to ask you a second question, right? How would you advise someone that's getting bullied, right? Let's say their friends making fun of them. How would you advise that person to move forward?
I would tell them that do not let the bad things get to you, the bad comments.